Yo, what's up guys? Today just want to go over how to actually fill up your scooter or motorcycle at the gas station. Seems simple enough, but it's a little different, so I'll show you. We're just going to unscrew the filler cap lefty-loosey. I'll put it on the back of the scooter here so we don't drop it or lose it. I'm just going to use 87 grade here. And the main difference is we don't want to stick the nozzle all the way down the filler neck. That's just going to activate the sensor of the pump too soon and we're not going to get a full tank. So what we want to do is we want to hold with two hands, kind of like a gentle grip on the trigger there. Make sure you're about 1 inch above the filler neck, and then we're going to pump. We're going to pump until we get a little bit of fuel that overspills into that little catch zone. When we get the overspill, that excess fuel is just going to be winds up under the scooter a little, so don't do too much. But it's that simple, you know. I'm just going to get the filler cap again, righty-tighty. And then to top off today, it only cost me, let's see here, it's $2.73. That is amazing. All right, you got to get yourself a scooter, motorcycle, two wheels, get on it. Bye.